All right, what's going on YouTube? So I wanted to make this video today to say start talking about crypto. And I don't mean that in a pumping sense because that's what keeps happening. But I do want to talk about, over the last couple of videos I posted this last week, there's a bunch of funny things I've noticed. And that's what I want to talk about and even outline for you guys the point of these videos. And so you understand my goal and objective for crypto as well as how you guys are going to profit off of it and make money and what I'm telling you and what I'm advising overall. Um, as far as, my job here and what I'm doing with this channel, obviously this space interests me. I'm not new to it. However, I do not pay attention to all this other noise, and people are bringing up this and that, especially, a lot of it sounds like stuff coming out of 12-year-olds' mouths. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, you know what I'm saying? I'm not hating on it. All I'm saying, and that's just how I am. I was always a skeptic at first with Bitcoin, and I encourage you guys to do the same. And that's the whole point. My job here is to start a dialogue. I will bring up stuff. The whole point is to start a dialogue and start talking about it. If you disagree with me, tell me why. Let's get to the bottom of it instead of, shutting your mind off, listening only at what little parts that you disagree with or agree with. But, and I did see some people who disagreed with me, great comments. And, this isn't about people who disagree with me. This is about the whole point of what I'm doing here is, and what I'm telling you when you guys see my videos, I want to start a dialogue, and that's how we're all going to learn, and that's how everyone's going to get more and more info. So that's one part I wanted to talk about with you guys and start talking. And, the next part, like I said, is be skeptical. I was always skeptical when trading, Bitcoin when I first got into it. And naturally, every supporter is they were a skeptic at one point, so do the same. It's just very, very simple, until you get the information you need with all these coins and do your due diligence and all that. So there's that. And I'll even explain too, that is kind of how I should expect to see people talk about crypto and everything. And, I guess to even make this quick, I'll even tell and when I'm even advocating for how I'm playing crypto, what you guys see here, when you guys see my live streams or anything like that, I'm not going crazy over this stuff. I believe in a few of these technologies long term. That stayed the same. I've remained very, very, very consistent. I've said this before. Go look at, I posted a video on this a year ago. If there's a bubble, I said I would tell you guys when there's a bubble. This is a bubble. And that's just what I believe. Simple as that. When there's a bubble like this, I said this on one of my YouTube comments, and I'm saying this within 3 minutes of the video, so you guys get it very quickly. You want to make money on this stuff, and the safe way and easy ways, in my opinion, go put $100, $200 on every single one of these random coins and let it sit there for a few years. You'll be happy. Why? Because if you did that in 2014 with marijuana penny stocks, even recently with some of the marijuana penny stocks in Canada, you would be very, very rich. So it's simple as that. That's why, because it's a bubble. Everything's going up and for no reason. So that's what I recommend. That's what I'm doing. So don't be perplexed when you see me. When I'm making these videos, I want to get information. I want to start talking about crypto. I want to open a dialogue, but only if it's educated. If you guys aren't coming here with facts and this and that, don't get mad. If something, I'm going to apply my stock trading knowledge and what I've learned from stock trading and business to the crypto. I have an open mind though. Again, it's not too many people who are invested as heavily in stocks are going to be as interested being as interested in crypto as I am, or would even approach it. But you guys see a lot of people are, and that's what I kind of even want to talk about, all these theories and that people have and go over it. But again, that can't be had unless people are talking about it. And I encourage you guys to engage a dialogue. Don't be here. Again, why I'm saying this: get rid of all the little kids in here. Or at least the childish behavior. It doesn't matter how old you are if you want to invest. But if someone disagrees with you, you don't go bantering off, going crazy. But and again, who am I to judge, right? If you guys have seen my videos, but at the end of the day, when it comes down to this crypto stuff, hopefully you guys get the point though of these videos that I'm making, and here on out from the future, that is what we're going to be doing. Let's get a dialogue going. And if you guys have heard what I said, I would love to be educated even by you guys. If you have information, please let me know. And at the same time, we could go back and forth and get to the bottom of it. So hope you guys enjoy that. If you like this video, subscribe. If not, goodbye.